The 1966 GMC C10 isn't just a classic truck, it's an icon of American craftsmanship. With its bold front grille, clean body lines, and squared-off stance, the exterior of the C10 screams vintage muscle and rugged charm. Available in single and two-tone color schemes, this pickup blends utility and timeless style. Chrome accents, steel bumpers, and the signature badging give it a distinct presence on the road. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that's simple yet functional. The bench seat offers roomy comfort, while the dash features classic analog gauges and durable metal finishes. There's nothing overcomplicated here, just raw, purposeful design made to last. It's a true throwback to when vehicles were built tough and meant for real work. Under the hood, the 66 C10 could be equipped with a range of inline-6 and V8 engines. One of the most popular options was the 5.0L V8, delivering around 200 to 220 horsepower and a satisfying growl. Paired with a manual or automatic transmission, the C10 could hit speeds of 90 to 100 miles per hour. Not bad for a vintage workhorse. Today, a well-restored GMC C10 can fetch anywhere from $25,000 to $60,000, depending on condition and mods. Whether you're a classic truck enthusiast or just love vintage Americana, the 1966 C10 is a collector's dream.